Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Bosco Media Network. Mat bakong san menta ke sengi kilong. Yo master degree Henry Prangut ki Samla ke Sinot College nekti uba Mirror Aim. Kenmal tempang kiriuniam solution ye ki Missionary balaklat no. Dawa ke All Giantia Master Role Workers Union ban kintiu bainong bat rota syong that syakan rup san snem. Bat hakarong karup ho ke 11th Convocation jong ke USTM. Bat mentangin pas ke Khubor bakambanya. Ke Sinot College Shillong ke lepelong ya ke lempung sam Master Degree Convocation na ke bentah nribu prangut ki Samla ke bala pendep ha ke jing puli postgraduate ha ki subject education bat political science ha ke lai tarik Naiwieng arjar arpusan. Kini ki Samla mentah bagi lap dep ikijing puli kenjam sya umau mer bathamai ha kajing jongki ha kini kesengi bekemen ye ke college barok kawai kumju ikini ki Samla ribu prangut lapen kup buramiki de ukongsan ba miral bonds im MLA kanongpo ha kajing kren aimin sim ha kini kelumpung uba miral bonds im ulaong kajing pendep ye ke postgraduate course kamde kajing kut Henry kadai kajing sedang ha kajing ya lenti jeng pi ban pen urlong ya kajing pos new bat kajing angnut kiba pila pen kre hadu kani ka klipmat ba pila poi bat kenjo ya ka thong jong kajing tere shitong jong pi nalor kata ulaong ka graduation day kadai ka sengi bepinang ban kenmau da kajing sngongo ka sengi jong kajing kemen kadai ru ka sengi bepin kenmau barok kajing ba pila ya kendo kilalong kisok batiang kibalawan ra ya kajing kemen ha iwe pa iwe na pi. Ha kini kalumpung sa master degree kinong penyat kinong hikai bat kisamla pule ringkat bat ke president jong ke governing body jong kini ke college Professor S Sungo kiladap daki khamat ki bapu samrki kat shabapai. Ukongsan ula pelat pai baru ikakot kabala ai kerteng empowering education for the development of India kathup jong ki jingkren ha ke national seminar kabalalong ha ka lai bat saw trik uyayong mentau snem ha kini ke college kasamla iban kentiu nong bet kabla yo ha ka rank 5th position ha education kala ai ke jingkren ha kini ke lempung ka Sinot College kadi ka wei ni ki college barat ba Shillong bat ha ke Jylla barok ka wei.
As the principal have rightly mentioned in her opening speech, that the graduation day and the PG day that we have had, it is a day of joy, it is a day of happiness, it is a day that all together, all of us also we cherish together on this beautiful day. Congratulations to each and every one of you, and this is the beginning of the journey ahead, that you have to fulfill the dream and aspiration of your parents, especially of yourself. I cannot forget the fact that when we talk about the dream and aspiration, I'm not wrong to say that each and every one of us are present here within this auditorium. We have a dream to become someone. It's nothing new to each and every one of us. And it's not bad also to dream to become someone. We have to be very optimistic in our life. And it is important that each and every one of you are here today because of your ambitions to become someone. You have to be ambitious. And sometimes you have to be very careful, don't be over ambitious, over confident of yourself. In the present day generation, in the world is full of challenges to take and take, we have to travel in various professions that we have to serve in our state and our country. We face challenges, but we should not forget the fact that the dream aspiration that we have, we should fulfill it one day. We are blessed in this country that we have a very beautiful constitution that has been bestowed upon each and every one of us as citizens of India. Especially the student of political science, I mean, my left or my right political science, yeah. Especially student of political science will be very much aware about various sections, various chapters within our constitution. And we are happy to see and to witness that all those dreams and aspirations of our forefathers, it has been addressed and fulfilled. We are here as students. We came from various backgrounds, from various communities, from various districts of our state, from various religious backgrounds.
Lam da ay pun maranyam dari pun jana dari kini u bandit
Hakalai terik Naiwieng kaseng selection jong ke Shillong province kelekan mau burom ya ki dukot jong kaseng ke balathia that haulum jing tep kabalang Catholic lain kra. Lasdang ya kini kesngi da ke jing duai ya urusri bekhoj balayalam de ki brodar bot sekamas bekhoj ha kabal penminta da Reverend Padar John Zuziama provincial ke Shillong ha ke jing senranlang Reverend Padar Jivan Lakra Vice Provincial, Reverend Padar Genesis Wanyang Economa, but kiwe ki Padar ki Brodar but ki aspirant. Hakasneng ka krau, Reverend Padar John Zuziama, ula ay kublay ki missionary ki blaklat no jong kaseng station. Ula ong, de namar ka jing tere shitom jong ki, lami ki parish but ki shlem ay jing hikay, kumiskul but ki jaka training bapher. Ula kenturu ye ki Padar ki Brodar but ki aspirant, ban long ki pasngongo ye ki mati jong ki missionary, but ban imha kum ki missionary jong kaseng haduk bakut ka jing im jong ki. Hadin kamas bakot lakirku ya ki jing tep jong ki reuniam da Reverend Padar John Zuziama, but Reverend Padar Jivan Lakra, but both sa ka jing edi shalang kum shiyeng shisam.
That we want to remember them with gratitude. That's why these days we are talking about so much gratitude, as we are also recalling this our Salvation Mission Day that we are going to celebrate, 11th of November, 150th anniversary of the first Salvation Missionary Expedition. Not remembering all those who have been sent out, all those who have been missionaries. Because of the missionaries, that what we are today is because of the missionaries. Those who have come to our land, those who have come to Northeast India. And so because of that, what we are today is because of them. And so let us learn to be, first of all, be grateful. As we are remembering them and praying for them, especially in this month. So let us learn to be grateful. Thank God for the gift of these missionaries, really. And so also we need to learn from these missionaries for us also. What is the message that they give us is that we have to live faithfully our salvation vocation until death. So they have been faithful till the end. And so they have been faithful till the end. Of course, some of them are young brothers. Some of them are young priests. Some of them have lived up to 70, 80, 90, almost 100, 102 years. Brother Paul Mojo, when I was here. And so they live faithfully their salvation vocations to death. And so now, that's why we are reading their names in necrology. It is for us too, it is an inspiration for us also to be faithful and also to persevere in our vocation. Even in the midst of crisis, challenges and difficulties. They too had gone through so many challenges, difficulties in their lives, much more than us. So because they had to go through inconveniences and so many lack of resources and no proper transport, no proper comfortable house, and like that they have lived through and they have persevered. And so for us to be grateful to them and to learn from them and to continue to continue to live as Salesians, joyfully continue to serve the young people. This is I think it is a message for us too, as we come around here offering this Mass for the repose of their souls, that we are grateful to God for the gift of these missionaries, and we are grateful to them for what they have done and for what they have been to us. And for us too, it is a lesson for us to remain faithful to the call that each one of us has received. And we all have different responsibilities and different gifts and the talents wherever we are assigned to do something. Let us do it faithfully. Let us continue to persevere in our vocation, continue to do good, especially for the young people. And so we pray for this grace as we continue this holy grace.
Ka Labor Department ha ka lai tarik Naiwieng, ka lakhot ya ka Jylla ya kinong yalam, ka All Jainta Master Roll Workers Union AJMRWU, ka balapania the Labor Commissioner Jagdish Chelani IAS, Banyakren halor kimat jingdawa ka union kibakentup ya ka jingsiu ya ka flow rate ha kinong tre master roll ringkat ba ka basic daily allowance BTA. Habakren bikilap pathai Khubor hadin belawai ka Jylla na kaliang uba kru el pariat president ulaong ba ka Khuborjylla hadin ba ka layo pediang ya ka kaipot na ka district statistics office kala pentip bagi dor jang ki marban kila nangkiu bat kumta na kaliang katanat kala shim ya karai banum pentre kam ya ke BDA da ka bapensyai baka bainong jang ki master role kala ban hiar shushu nalor kata ulo ongru baka union kampat pediang ya kani ka jingong hadu banda yok pediang da ka shithi halor kani bau commissioner ulo kular ban ai da ka jingtho hakatayo banwan Syuk-syuk kini ke kinhun kala dawa na ke Khuborjylla ban pensyai halor ke snem ban syong that kim nong tre master role na mar baka long ke baklumar baka sorkar ke Jylla kala pha syong that ye kinong tre master role hakerta ke basan phupra snem kat ba ke jingtho na ulat ke Jylla pat ke ong bagi master role kidei ban syong that hakerta ke ban rupusan snem.
Khat ka Jylla yang baru ki mastro tiki menne tagasngi la ban na boy na nang stain na baru tingila wan ka government ro ka khat yangi ban yakaran na marba halor gane ka benta ka bansi be ka floret ki area ka bare ban trekam na dok strict October ajar pulai hado khat la koi December ajar sa teba ka wai pat ka jing se ka de VDA ka bare ban trekam jing strict October halor kini hadin begila ya keren baru commissioner jaga finance te kawan kajing tha bangi ha bani kendo ke government lang ba le commissioner te kane ki pensai ngi menta ba hajing dai ba ka floret ka baju te kam mansua haro ka kot ke ka 6 October ada khatra menta usnam nagaliang ka government ka ong ba kanam bentrai kam shu ya kan ka floret ka badai bentrai kam naga 1 October arjar apulai hado neu December ajar sa kadang bagi yang makam bentrai kam sho kalau long tangan ne ba kam dai ban long mandatory bakin pen keu ne ban ribai sia kan ka floret kalong gane halong kada wai pat kada kalong ba ka VDA da bar ki ban ribai pen keu kat kum ka mar kador ki marbang jinga dai bat ki nongsngi ki masterol taki besi akan ni ke VDA ki ong bakam ke dor jong ki marba mayewahan kat kum ki yo ka jubam na liang jong ka district ka state statistic hajing re marbam ki ong ba ki marbam ka dor jong ka marbam ke lahir hayewahan Te nagatagadaw ki calculation jong ka government lang ba ka labor kilap ba lada ki pendan kam pentrai kam ya ka VDA jong ka strict October kumba jitrai menshua kan poi ba ka dor ka jingsiv ya ka mastrol kandang hier susu. Namar ki marbam kila hier dor nakadaw ba ka GST ha ka babon ki marbam ka government kala pan hier. Te nagatagadaw hagane jong ka VDA jong ka strict October bat katay ka floor rate ro kam amla chuban pentrai kam mantaus na. Te kan ne kadai ka jingin karen. Te halor kane nakalenga jong ngi la stick hi bani karen yo leba commissioner ba government kadai ban ayeng ida ka jing tha. Namal bani karen nakakten ngi mla chuban snap man gapwa ay no ka jing tha hadin ngi ayo ikane ka jing tha nang ta pat ngin sai pakhat ka eksen jam. Te nakaleng jong leba commissioner jing don ka jong join leba commissioner kila ayeng ka assurance ba hagani ka tiyo ban wan ginyo ka jing tha te nakaleng ka jong la sim garai ba ngin sakhot ngin lum yap paro gi masterol ke badan Jylla Meghalaya hang NEHU Shillong ban hang ta ngin pule ya kata ka jing tha ba wan nakar labor department ba kan am save show ni ka ni ka floor rate ka ba trai kam kat ko minimum wages act 1948 kadan ka jing tha yo le se hagis namban wan ro kan am ban trai show nagataka daw ngi on ai ka jing tha kata kawai pat ka bangia keren ba manta kadai ka jingkul mar manta baro ginong terima.
Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM kalapulong ye ke 11th Convocation Ceremony hakarong karup ka ba ipho iping hakalai tarik Naiwieng ha Central Stadium jongkini ka school ba. Uba snyo bahalang dhar umintri rang ba senrop uladon lang hakani kalumpong sam degree jong ka USTM. Upatma Bhushin Dr. SM Gopala Krishnan ulakren kumukong san hagani kalumpong. Hagani kalumpong 11th Convocation hadu shihajar nruspa khat prangut ki Samla ki bakentup nyospa nrupu armut ki blayo ki graduate degree praspa arpusawi ki master degree bat laipu arngut ya ki PhD degree. La ai gold medal ki sanpusaw ngut ki Samla ki balawan syakmat hagi kerdan puli bapher. Ke USTM kalalong ka wainig school ba kabal peniat de ki briushimet kabalarung hagathop ars patali ki school ba ki ba kamatam hakari India barok kawai.
As a student, as a businessman, and as a politician. I'm telling you, when I was in school life, in fact, I am a very, very hard-working student. But unfortunately, I'm not like you. I'm not good in studies. That is the drawback of my personality. But I have the spirit of fighting. If others can, why I cannot? That is my spirit. When I passed class 12 from St. Science, I tried to continue my study as a BSc student, but unfortunately, for some other reasons, I could not. And then in 2000, in the month of May, I switched to business. And I found that my life is distressed and difficult, which is almost I lose hope. Almost I lose hope. Wherever I go, I feel difficulties. And one fine evening, I made up my mind. Please remember, for you dear students, difficulties mean it's not impossible. Simple that you have to work hard. Simple, you have to work hard. Wherever I go, sometimes one of the others, I face difficult. But I will not give up. I'm the fighter. And please remember one word, which is very common for all of us. The word impossible is not there in the leader dictionary. Please note that. The word impossible, it is not there in the leader dictionaries. I start my business from 2000 till 2007-8. Of course, somehow it's better, not that much bad. With the blessing of the Almighty, till today, more than 6,000-7,000 of employees who work under my companies. But still I saw that if I base only my personal business, I didn't have the opportunities to help for my youth of the state of Meghalaya. And in 2008, I made up my mind, it's better for me to join politics, so that I can look after all these drawbacks. I can help my own brother and sisters from my business sector and from government sector as your leaders. Please remember, the surprises with the good people is always, they never tell your problems. They keep listening that you is better to realize by yourself. That is the difference in a good person. Simple. Today is the day for you. It is the future generation, the future days of you from tomorrow onwards. Till today we may call you as a student, as a graduate. And I hope and full confidence in the days to come, I would like to see you, some of you in different streams and different sector and in different directions.
But dakini ki khubor ngila poishi ka bakut tak hadu ping desham yang kuble shibot.